for another video. In this video, I'm going to be checking out 4 scents from a new company that I haven't tried yet called Apex Beard Co. Check them out down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you tried Apex Beard Co. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so obviously as you can see I do have the products already out. This is because when I got home I saw the package sitting on my kitchen counter, and there's a darker spot on the package that it was in, which I knew was typically a sign of damage. So I opened it up just to check before I did this video, and sure enough, one of the bottles, actually the scent that the Autumn Woodsman, which is a limited edition fall scent, which is no longer available, broke during shipping. This should be a UPS. I had to pay $40 for import fees on top of the 20-ish that I paid for shipping, and the fact that it broke is unacceptable on UPS's part. Shame on them for that. And I did mention this to Dylan, the owner of Apex Beard Co., and he's going to send me a new one, so probably by the time this video is out, I'll have that new bottle of Autumn Woodsman. Yeah, next let's talk about Apex Beard Co. Alrighty, so Apex Beard Co. is based in Central Illinois. The owner's name is Dylan. They were launched in March 2022, so earlier this year. Small batch handmade beard products, made in America. Yeah, next let's talk about the ingredients for the beard oil next. Alrighty, so Apex Beard Co. has 2 different blends. I have the Alpha blend, which is metafoam seed oil, castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, fragrance oils, and essential oils for scent. And then the second blend is the Premu blend, which is 60% emu oil, 40% alpha blend. Don't have any of those here to try, but I'm gonna try the main blend. Definitely excited to check these out. Next, let's talk about the scents that I got. Alrighty, so the first one that I got is the Northerner, which is Northern Woods, Frosted Cranberry, Morning Mist, Flannel, and Fig. And then the Autumn Woodsman, which is the one that broke unfortunately, but Dylan's sending out a replacement. That should be here by the time this video goes up. And that one is Autumn Leaves, Fall Air, Oak, Hickory Wood, Cedar Wood, Maple Wood, Birch Wood, and Walnut Wood. And then the Dude, which is Warm Oud, Exotic Oud, Black Oud, Cologne, Cedar Wood, and Amber. The 51 is Galactic, Blackberry, Smoked Apple, Bourbon, Space Oud, Sage, and Cologne. And then I also got a bonus scent, which is for Afterlife. This is Nightmare Before Christmas themed. Forever Afterlife beard oil. This one is Forbidden Fruit, Black Amber, Black Walnut, and Midnight Air. Really cool labels on all of these. Super dope. And then with the beard oils, you can do restrictor tops, dropper tops, or straight pour with only the cap. Like I said, there's 2 different blends available, the Alpha and the Premu. Next, let's check out these scents. Alrighty, so Dylan also sent me a lanyard. It says Apex Beard Co. I'm going to start using this for my keys. Super dope. And then he also sent a vehicle air freshener. This one is Machinist. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to hang that in my car. Dope. Ooh, this smells nice. Very cool. In the box, I got the I got 4 oils. There's going to be a 5th with the Autumn Woodsman once that comes, but 4 that survived the trip. So first, the Northerner, really cool labels. This one, like I said, is Northern Woods, Frosted Cranberry, and Morning Mist, and Flannel and Fig. And they come with, I did plastic off these as well, but they did come covered in plastic. And they come like without the restrictor top initially, and then you can add that in. Ooh. I get the woods for sure. Cranberries in the background. Oh yeah, I get the fig. Yep. Oh, that's nice. I can't wait to rock that one. That's gonna be awesome. And then next we have the 51, which is Galactic Blackberry, Smoked Apple, Bourbon, Space Oud, Sage, and Cologne. Cool. That's punchy. Very nice. Yeah, definitely get the blackberry up front. The apple in the background. I do get the cologniness of it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a banger. Very nice. And then next we have the Dude. Wicked label, very, very cool. Warm oud, exotic oud, black oud, cologne, cedarwood, and amber. So 3 different ouds plus more. Ooh, yep, that's a clone. If I get the warm oud mixed with the exotic oud up front. I don't get much amber involved. Oh, maybe a little bit. Excited to see how that comes out in beard. Very, very nice. And then, last but not least, Dylan threw in this extra, which is no longer available, I don't think. Pretty cool. This one is Forbidden Fruit, Black Amber, Black Walnut, and Midnight Air. This one sounds awesome. Ooh. I get the fruit for sure. Yeah, black amber. Yep, I get that. A little bit of nuttiness that I can pick up with the black walnut. That's awesome. And then with these, like I said, you can add the dropper top or the restrictor. I'll put one of the restrictors in right now so you guys can see how it works. And I know I picked one of these to have a dropper top because I didn't have the option to put them as a restrictor top. But it is cool that they don't come initially in the bottle because it definitely makes it easier to, as a reviewer, to check out these scents. So pretty cool idea. You can add them if you want or not. It's cool. Let's just pop the cap off, and then just put that in. Just kind of carefully wiggle it in until it goes all the way down. There we go. Now it's on there, so now it's safe. You just screw your cap back on, just like that. You can still use it, but it's not gonna spill everywhere. I know some people like the open pour. I don't. It scares me, honestly, especially with like more expensive oils. Yeah, there's another one. I think because I'm gonna have the dropper top plus these two, I might do all 4 with restrictor tops and then just kind of save this, or maybe I'll use it. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll do. I think I'm gonna do all 4 with restrictor tops. Alright, so that's interesting. Something I just noticed. I think it looks like certain bottles don't fit the restrictor tops because they're not specified for that. Maybe. Yeah, so that doesn't want to fit for some reason, so I'll just use the dropper top. There we go. It's on there, nice and proper. Cool. Yeah, it's a little demo of how to put on the restrictor tops. Let's keep it moving. Yeah, and that's first impressions of Apex Beard Co. Check them out down below. I'll have their website and Instagram linked down below. Stay tuned for a full review on all these oils coming soon. Shout out to Dylan for being willing to send out another bottle of Autumn Woodsman so I can test that out. Definitely excited to check that one out in beard as that arrives. UPS, shame on you. That was not great, but Dylan made it right, so that's good. Yeah, check out Apex Beard Co. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. Let me know if you tried Apex Beard Co. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.